channel. I'm here to show you guys how to make money online, how to improve your income. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about things you guys shouldn't sell as a new seller on Amazon, especially if you're trying to launch your first book. Before I get to this video, I wanted to let you guys know I'm gonna have a giveaway, but in order to give away, you have to do three things. You have to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and watch the full video so you can catch the keyword. I'll be putting the keyword in the middle of the video. Make sure you comment this keyword so you guys can have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. First product you guys shouldn't sell as a new seller or send it to Amazon every year is clothing. So if you're trying to sell clothing, I advise you guys, especially if you first started, do not sell clothing, because especially if you're gonna buy those clothing, you most likely gonna buy it from Alibaba, and sometimes they're not the best quality. So when you send those products to Amazon FBA and they don't sell, Amazon gonna start charging you a lot of storage fees. Then if the customer purchased this item, let's say the quality is not what they expected, they're gonna do a lot of return. And if the customer keep doing return on your store, it's not good for your store. So I'll advise you guys not to get into clothing until you get more experience about it. So the second thing is electronics. Electronics, you're gonna buy it exactly from Alibaba. I know most of you guys buy it from Alibaba to resell it on Amazon. I don't advise you to do it, because let's say you're buying an electronic and to the transport to Amazon, something may happen, or the water get into those product and the product is not working. When the customer purchases product is not working, so what's gonna happen again, those customers gonna start return those items and they're gonna say the product is damaged. So what Amazon gonna do, they're gonna just refund the customer and you're gonna lose your money. So I advise you to sell electronics until you get more experience, until you know it's a product, you really know it's a good product. So don't get into electronics. So the third thing is heavy item, right? If you're a new seller, right, you try to get your product into Amazon FBA. So like the heavier the item is, the more you're gonna pay for shipment. So get those products from Alibaba, you're gonna pay a lot of shipping costs. Okay, you're gonna pay a lot of shipping. I advise you to start with a light item that you're not gonna pay a lot of shipping, and Amazon not gonna charge you a lot of storage fee, because if the product is over 50 pounds, Amazon gonna charge you because the product is too heavy. So, and then it's gonna cost them a lot to ship this product to the customer. And even though you didn't want to do Amazon FBA, if you keep those products at your house, it's gonna cost you so much money to ship those products. You have a customer and you ship this product here in Miami, it's gonna cost you less money, but you never know where a customer gonna buy it. And I have customer buying from Ohio, Texas, Washington, New York. It's so expensive to ship in those cities. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on, but it's so expensive. If I wanted to ship this water, like here in Miami, I'll pay like around $6. But don't get surprised if a customer places this order and they live in Texas or Ohio, you're gonna pay like $19 just to ship this. So like I advise you, don't try to sell like heavy items. So product I recommend you guys to sell is like pet products. Like get into pets product, like outdoor product, decoration product. Those products sell really good. Like kitchen product, you can get into those products. Make sure the product is not that heavy, it's not too expensive, so you can make sure you guys can double the price so you guys can make a profit after all the fees. If you need help to open your Amazon account, or you started it, you don't know how to finish it, maybe you having problem uploading your documents. If you have problem uploading your documents, make sure you text me on Instagram. I'll be able to help you guys for free. So I'm not gonna charge you guys if you guys already start opening your Amazon account and you just have problem uploading your documents. But if you didn't watch the video, because I took my time, we record a full video showing you guys step by step how to open your Amazon account. If you guys didn't want to watch this video, you guys want me to help you like a one-on-one coaching, helping you open your Amazon account from scratch, I do charge you for this. And make sure you text me on Instagram also, and we can talk about this, how to open your Amazon account and help you guys along the way. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help. That's it, and I'll see you guys on my next video.